Hi everyone, it's Stephen from Chekin, and I'm here to present to you today our new feature that we've just launched that we're really excited about is our upselling feature. Now, our upselling feature has been something that's been demanded a lot by our clients. We're currently having people using it, testing it out, and we're currently doing the official launch. And we're really excited to bring this to you because not only is it going to help you offer so many different services and experiences to your guests before arrival, it's really going to help you build revenue, increase revenue for each and every reservation, and to really help you expand your services towards your guests. Not only are they going to be able to access the upselling platform during their online check-in, so before arrival, they go through the online check-in process and then they can select the different offers and experiences they want to purchase. They'll also be able to access this page during their stay, allowing them to buy different offers, experiences that you may offer to your guests while they're actually staying at the accommodation, making it easier for them, not having to go out to look to find places to receive tickets or go to restaurants or taxi drivers. They'll be able to do it all in-house and knowing that it's all done via the platform trusted by the host. So the first thing I wanted to show you is how you would actually set up your upselling account on Chekin. So what we would do is we would go to the account settings page and then we would go to payments. When we're in payments, what we have to do is we have to connect our Stripe account. By connecting our Stripe account with Chekin, you simply select Connect Stripe and then it'll take you to the external Stripe login page. Once you log in, you'll be taken back to Check-in, and then we have to wait 30 minutes up to 60 minutes for our account to be validated, and then we'll be able to accept payments through the Check-in dashboard related to all of the offers that you want to upsell to your guests. After we do that, we'll simply go to properties. We'll select a property, and then we will activate upselling. So click simply on, and then you'll be able to see all the different deals here. You'll be able to create a new deal here directly, and we'll be able to deactivate or activate any specific deals we want at any specific time. So what we'll do now is we'll go on to upselling, and then we'll start to configure our deals and experiences page. So here you'll have some generic information about upselling if you want to read it through. And then what we recommend first to do is update your supplier list. Now, your supplier list can actually be really helpful. Once you start selling different offers, you may have collaborations and partnerships with a supplier in your local area. What that means is you're probably paying commission, or they're taking a commission fee because you're selling their services or their offers or their experiences on your own platform. At the end of the day, what this will allow you to do is be able to see all the different offers that you've sold, that you've selected, and then calculate how much you owe them, should it be a percentage or a commission fee at the end of every month. So to do that, we'll simply add a supplier. I'm going to call mine taxi driver, and then we will enter the email of the taxi driver here, and then the phone number, and then the address is optional. And we add the supplier. What we're going to do next is go to deals and experiences and then start adding and creating our deals. So here at the top right hand corner, you will see create deal. You'll have two custom deals already created for you, which will be early check-in and late checkout. However, we're going to create a custom deal to allow you to see how you would create your own deal, personalize it with your description, with your highlight, and then you'll be able to offer that to your guest. So on the deal information page, on the top, you'll be able to see all the information that the guest will see and how you can configure your deal. Down, you'll be able to upload a picture or select from the library, and then you'll have your availability and supplies. So the title, we're going to say taxi driver, and then we can add a highlight. We can add a long description explaining the type of services that we would like to offer to the guest or what this type of deal or experience it has. So here we could say something like, you will pick up at the airport by taxi driver. And now, as you'll see on the right hand side, you will always have a preview of the deal you're editing. You'll be able to see what it will look like and what it will be visualized to the guest, so they'll be able to visualize what you're actually looking at. Here we can enter the price. And here we will add our supplier taxi driver. Now next we have the confirmation type. Now the confirmation type is actually really important. So we have an auto confirmation and we have a manual confirmation. Auto confirmation means that whatever we offer to our guests, we know that it's always going to be 100% in supply. That means whenever they select it, they will pay for it directly and the deal will be done. A manual selection means that if we do have a partnership or a collaboration and the guest would like to reserve a table, for example, at a restaurant at 8 p.m, we first have to speak with the restaurant to see if that table is available. You will then be able to say, okay, it is available. You'll accept the deal, and that means the guest will receive an email, they'll be able to pay for it, and then the deal will be done. So whatever we can't automatically confirm at the time of check-in, we can always add it as a manual type that will allow us time to confirm that the experience is possible, then send an email to the guest saying it is possible with a payment link where they can complete the payment. We can add a category, in this case transportation, and then we'll move down to the pictures. So we can either upload our own photo or we can select from a library that we have. So I'll just go into the transportation tab, choose this one. In here, we can select availability. So as I'm talking about a taxi, I could say, okay, it's going to be available all day, every day. They can confirm it. I can talk to a taxi driver and book that in for them. Or we can select different days. We can say it's only available Monday. However, it's not available all day. It's only available from 12:30 until 7:30 the next day. We can do the same for Tuesday all day. So everything that is available to the guest is fully personalizable, and the guest will be able to see the availability before purchasing the experience or the taxi or the deal or the offer. And then spots available, just so we have a reference, let's say 10. And then we can select which type of property we want to link this offer to. So we can create multiple different offers for multiple different properties. All the offers that we want to upload to the platform don't have to be linked to your entire group of properties. They can be linked to specific ones, making sure that the deals that we offer are catered for the areas that they're located in. Here we'll simply save the deal and then head back to My Deals. Here we'll see all the deals that we have created. We can create a new deal, we can activate deals, or we can simply delete a deal if it is no longer available. We'll see the supplier deals. So my supplier deal is this one here. And then we could always see internal services, which are the services that we offer directly as a property manager or a hotel in this sector. Here we're going to have the deal statuses. So what this means is what I mentioned earlier about manual and auto. So if we have pending deal statuses, it means that the guest has ordered an experience that has to be manually confirmed. Here you'll have the option to approve or deny. Should it be approved, the guest receives the email to pay. Should it be denied, the guest will receive an email that has been denied. We'll be able to see in here all the different approved deals that we've had, our rejected deals, and of course the paid deals. You also have a report on all the deals sold, the total revenue made, and then you'll also be able to download a spreadsheet with all the different deals that you have sold, so to be able to analyze best all of the different revenue streams that you have been creating thanks to Chekin. So now we're going to look at a deal from the guest perspective, how they would complete the online check-in process, and when they would actually purchase the offers and experiences you would like to provide to the guest. So we'll complete an online check-in, we'll fill out the form that we provide to our guests requiring the information that we ask for. Now, I'm sure you're all aware, however, if not, then this form can actually be fully customizable. Depending on the information and the data we require from the guest, we can completely customize our form, asking for more data points if we need to. So I'll click Next, I'll view the contract and provide a signature, accept the contract and the privacy policy, and complete a registration, which will then take us to the Deals and Experiences page. So here, for example, in transportation, I have the taxi driver offer we just created together. I'll be able to see the availability, so it's available from Monday to Sunday all day. I'll select the date that is required and the time, 2 people, and then I'll request this deal. I'll add my email address in and then select continue. That deal is now requested. However, if I was going to pay a normal one, we'd click this one. We can book and keep exploring or pay now. So book and keep exploring. Now this one is now booked. What that means is if we go into our online check-in, we'll be able to see here the requested deals that are required, and then whenever the guest finishes the payment, the deals approved will also appear here. So here we see we have a deal requested with the taxi driver. We can approve or reject it directly. However, if we wish to see more, We will simply go into deals and experiences, see the different requests, and then select approve. We'll approve this deal, and then what that means is the confirmation will get sent to the guest, and then they'll be able to pay for the offer. I hope you enjoyed this quick demonstration on how upselling works. Feel free to contact us at any time so we can help you get your upselling configured and start building revenue for each and every reservation that you have incoming here in the near future. Thank you, and we'll speak to you soon.